Hey, how is it going, guys? Welcome back to Reviews with Valerian. A mail has arrived and looks like this is the Mijia 360 degrees IP camera in 1080p. Let the box cutting begin. Okay, on the back we can find some specs about the camera and the barcode, the Mi logo and the Mijia logo on the side, the actual image of the product on the front of the box, another Mi and Mijia logo, nothing under, nothing above. The packaging is simple and plain as expected from Xiaomi. And here is my box cutter. Oops! Remember kids, blade is blade and blade cuts. The first flap is challenging to open, and the second flap is protecting the camera from unboxer's blade. He is there, tucked inside the big box. Pull the camera like this, and the cardboard should be holding the camera in place. It's very hard to find the opening. Let's skip that for a moment. You can find a manual book here written in Chinese language. Mijia logo. Focus on the object, you bloody camera. Put that aside. Another box. Okay, so this is the cable and the adapter and the wall base. The adapter what we got is the Chinese version. I mean the flat ones. Yep, nothing else. After we find the opening of the plastic cover, we remove the plastic. Okay, skip that. Open for a usual micro USB cable with the rubber band long enough for hanging in the ceiling. A normal USB-A goes to the adapter like this, and you need another wall adapter since my plug is the EU plug, and we connect the micro USB to the port on the camera like this. Click. After the camera turned on, the LED will shine amber, and you might hear some Chinese or English instruction, and those were the infrared light. Sometimes you need to press the reset button and wait for the camera to boot up. If you find your camera panning and tilting by itself, don't panic. This is a normal booting procedure. Now I show you how to install the device. First, you need to download the Mijia app, press the Add New Device, find your respective device, follow the on-screen instruction, then you can either use the QR scanning method or the easier network sharing connection. Then wait for the camera to set up. The connection this may take 5 minutes or more depending on your Wi-Fi. If the camera successfully connected to the internet, the light will shine blue. Name the camera and wait until you see the control interface. Use left, right, and up-down button to pan and tilt your 360 degrees camera. I almost forgot. This camera offers two-way audio communication, so you can talk with your family members or pets directly through the camera.
You can hear my voice now.
On the face of the camera, there is the lens, the indicator LED, the infrared LEDs, the SD card slot hidden under the lens. On the bottom of the base, there are some short information regarding the camera and a mechanism to hold the anchor to hang the camera on the ceiling. On the back, the speakers slash heatsink hidden by these decorative holes. Thumbs up for the attention to the details. The reset button and the USB port. Well, that's all mates. See you in the next video. Cheerio!